All right, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Methodical Man here. Coming to you with another update here on the mechanical strategy. So today we're going to be going over the 15-minute opening range break. If you are new here, the 15-minute opening range break is simply the high and the low that post within the first 15 minutes of the day. So 9:30 a.m. we'll take the high between 9:30 a.m. and the low at 9:45 a.m. and whichever side it takes first, we would take a long or a short based on those numbers. Now, this is episode, which one is this? Is this 5? This is episode 6. So if you're unfamiliar, if you didn't watch the first 5 episodes, I'll kind of go over the results on this strategy. Week 1, we posted a $2,200 profit. Now, this is just using one mini, and you are using a fixed 2.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. 15 handle stop, 38 handle take profit. So week 1, $2,200. Week 2, $140. Week 3, $560. Week 4, we lost $1,500. And then in week 5, we made $1,620. So overall, we are up $2,740 on this strategy for a total of $546 a week. We have 12 winners and 12 losers currently. So let's go over week 6 here. So we're starting with Monday's action here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark out the high and the low from Monday. So here is the low. We can see the open there at 9:30. So there's the low. And let's mark out the high. I don't think I had to select that again. So on the 1 minute chart here, you're going to use the high. You're going to use the 944 candle. So there's the high. There's the low. So which side did it take first? It took the top side first, right? Now on this particular strategy, you need to at least get 20 handles in profit. Once you get 20 handles in profit, you can move your stop to plus 10. So we would be taking a long here from right here. And our stop is going to be 15 points. So let's move this down to 15 handles. Right there. And our take profit is 38 handles. So as you can see, that's a 2.5 to 1 risk to reward there. So it pushes up. We get tagged in here, and it pushes up to 991, and then it pulls back, and you see it stops us out. So if we're long there from 62, once we pushed into 82, we would move our stop to 72 to lock in 10 handles. Then if we got to 92, we would move it to 20 handles. We'd lock in 20 handles. So let's zoom in a little bit here. Didn't we get to 92 on this push up? It's difficult to tell there. Yeah, 92.25. I guess we can just look at the high of that candle. Where does it show the high at? I thought it showed me the high. I guess it doesn't. So 92.25, I do believe we locked in 20 handles here. So on Monday, that's going to be a 20 handle winner. So it pushed up, we locked in 20, and then you can see it pulled back and stopped us out right here. So on Monday, that's going to be 20 handles. So let's go on over to Tuesday and take a look. Let's get over here to Tuesday. We'll be dropping the video for the 5-minute gap strategy on tomorrow. So I like to do this one first and then do the 5-minute gap strategy after that. So all right, here we are, Tuesday. So let's mark out our high and our low. So let's find the 930 candle. So after 930, this is the low. And let's see what the high would have been. Excuse me, there's the high. Let's take these off here. So which side did it take first? Well, clearly it took the high side first. So let's go ahead and put our position on here. Click the right one. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. All right, so we'll be getting long from here. So 15 handle stop once again. 38 handle take profit. So do we get so we get long right here at 25s. Does it go to our profit target? Yes, it does. So on Tuesday right there, we made 38 handles. So that's 2 for 2 this week so far. So let's move on to Wednesday. I guess I should have followed price. Looks like we sold off there. So up 58 handles going into Wednesday. So looking pretty solid so far with only 4 days or 3 days left in the week. We can only lose 45 handles. So after Tuesday, we're already locked in a winning week there. We cannot lose at this point. So you already know that this strategy will be a winner this week already, because we're up 58 handles and we're only risking 45 for the rest of the week. So we already know that it is a winner this week. So let's find the 930. Here's the low, and let's find the high. So that's the high there. So which one did it take first? So we're tagged in here on the low first, and we don't even have to put the position on here. We can see this stops us out immediately. We get tagged in and stopped out immediately for a 15 handle loss. So we don't even need to put the position on there. That's immediately a loss. Let's move on over to Thursday and take a look. So it's always good when you get the winners kind of front loading the week there. You don't have to worry about it. You already know that it is a winning strategy, or a winning week at least. So let's find 9:30 a.m. So that's going to be right there. So the high is there. This is one of those kind of muddled ones. Here's the low right there. I don't know what that line is. Let's take that line off. So we get tagged in short here. So let's put our position on here. So we're tagged in short from here. Once again, we're risking 15 handles, looking for 38. There we go. Target is 38. So let's take a look at it here. I don't know why it's not taking that off there. Anyways, so we get tagged in short here. Do we ever get stopped out? We do not, and it goes straight to our target. So on Thursday, we also made a 38 handle winner there on this strategy. Now I do think on this Thursday one here, let's take this thing out of the way here. If you moved your stop, which I did, so we got this pushed down to the 18 off the 55. So that first move down took you to 43. And then the second move down took you to 34. So I locked in 10 handles here off of this one. 20 handles, I'm sorry. No, it would have been 10. So I locked in 10 handles, and I got stopped out for only a 10 handle winner. But if you did not move your stop, you took the entire 38 points. But since we are moving our stop here, based on those rules, this would technically only be a 10 handle winner. So that's what we're going to count it as, a 10 handle winner. If you didn't move your stop, you would have got 38 handles. But the problem with not moving your stop is you're gonna get more losers there than it's worth. So it does make sense to move your stop. And then we're coming into Friday's action here. You can check this out. I mean, look at this big move down this morning on the non-farm payroll. I am making this video on Friday, so let's find 930. So here's 930. So here's the that's not the low. This is the low right there. And then let's mark out the high. 925, 940. So that's the high there. So what side did it take? You can see we had a lot of consolidation here. Didn't take either side to begin with, and then it blasts off to the upside there. It just takes off. So let's put our long position on here. And once again, this would be 38 right there. And our stop is at 15. So 2.5 to 1 risk to reward here. So as you can see, we get tagged in right here. It never comes back. This just goes straight to the target. So this is a 38 handle winner on Friday. So this week we yielded 4 winners and 1 loser. So that now tilts the strategy over to 16 winners and 13 losers over the last 6 weeks. So let's go ahead and do the math here. I'm not going to try to do it in my head because I'm not good at that. So 20 handle winner on Monday, 38 handle winner on Tuesday, 10 handle winner on Thursday, 38 on Friday, and then we minus the loser. That's 91 points for the week. And at 1 mini, that's $1,820 for the week on this strategy. So let's go ahead and add that to the $2,740 that we made over the last 5 weeks. And now the total is $4,560 through 6 weeks, because this is the 6th week. So if we divide that by 6, we're now averaging $760 a week on this strategy through the last 6 weeks. So not bad. 16 winners, 13 losers. We got 29 trade days there. I don't know what the percentage is. Like I said, when I did the back test, it was running at about 55%. And so now it's at 55% exactly with 16 winners, 13 losers. So that's it for this 15-minute breakout strategy. This is the review for the week, episode 6. So if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me, subscribe. If you are interested in trading futures, we do have the link to Top Step, Apex, and Bulanox down below with their various discount codes. And we do trade these strategies live 5 days a week. So if you're not watching us 9:15 a.m. Eastern, please join us. And we will see you next time. Appreciate you guys watching.